Why do accidents occur? What are their financial and human consequences? How can we prevent them? Hello and welcome back to the Explosion Protection EXPP Micro Learning Series. I'm Bob Johnson, your guide through the world of explosion protection. In our last video, we laid the foundation for why explosion protection awareness matters. Today, we're diving into accidents, explosions, and the critical lessons they've taught us. As we discussed earlier, accidents like the Piper Alpha disaster and the Deepwater Horizon tragedy serve as stark reminders of the stakes we face. In 1988, Piper Alpha became a fireball, consuming lives and assets. The aftermath? Economic losses soaring to billions, ecosystems tainted, and a permanent scar on the North Sea's production capacity. But what did we learn? The 2-year investigation into Piper Alpha, led by Lord Cohen, yielded 106 recommendations. A key reform emerged. Companies must ensure that their people's competency. The Deepwater Horizon disaster, on the other hand, unleashed an ecological catastrophe. The absence of safeguards in the drilling operations proved disastrous. The final report issued by the USCG and BSEE stated that while the source of ignition could not be determined, previous inspections on that rig showed that hazardous location electrical equipment was in such bad condition and located on the drill floor that an electrical fault could have been the initial event that led to this disaster. The tale continues with a crucial lesson. Proper testing, manufacturing, and product verification are just the beginning. Once a product leaves the warehouse, its safety depends on proper design, selection, installation practices, and knowledgeable maintenance. A single failure in any of these phases can unravel even the most stringent safety protocols. But let's not lay all the blame on the operational personnel. A comprehensive analysis of 34 major industrial incidents spotlighted 5 top causes: specifications, changes post-commissioning, operations and maintenance, design and implementation, and installation and commissioning. Being aware and competent in every facet is our shield against accidents and disasters. Remember, each incident teaches us to be better. To prevent, we must first comprehend. For those of you who want to learn more, feel free to visit academy.bartec.com, your digital learning hub. Subscribe and enjoy our learning offering in explosion protection awareness and competency. Follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit bartec.com. Reach out to me and I will personally answer your questions. Thank you for joining me today. In our next video, we'll delve into the mechanics of explosions and the factors we need to consider to prevent them, including an introduction to the fire triangle.
If you want to go beyond explosion protection awareness to reach a higher level of competency and compliance, please visit our Academy website. Email at academy@bartec.com, call us at 281-214-8542, or reach out to any of our partners and BARTEC offices worldwide. It would be our pleasure to send you the brochure and information about our digital and in-person explosion protection professional competency certification program. You will receive a BARTEC Academy EXPP certificate and have the option to obtain your IEC EX certification of personnel competency for you and your whole team.